My name is Sophia and today I am going to make slime. So you'll be needing some Elmer's glue or dot glue. I'm using some glitter glue, and you could use lotion, but you don't need to if you want to. But you'll have to have something to mix with and some activator. I'm using some Tide. So let's get started. I'm gonna put in some glue. This is really empty because I use this glue a lot, so it's gonna be a tiny batch of slime. Oh, and you'll be needing a container, so you could store it and you could play with it next time. This is so weird. It makes a weird sound. See? So, this is my first video, and I want to make glitter glue. So, if you don't have dye in yours, you should put in your food coloring or paint in right now. So since I'm done mixing, I think, yeah, you should put in your activator. You have to do little by little so you don't overactivate it. Uh-oh, I think I might overactivate it. Or that could be a perfect amount. Comment down below if you think it's gonna be bad slime or good slime. I think it's gonna be a good slime. Oh, it's forming. It looks so goopy. Whoa. So make sure you roll up your sleeves when you're playing with it, because it might get on your clothes. Oh my gosh. And when it's sticking to itself, you could knead it. Mine looks like it's almost ready. Let me put in a little bit more. Ooh, that much. You could use Tide, contact solution and baking soda, Gain, or borax. I don't recommend borax because it could hurt your hands. Oh my gosh, it's forming really good. I'm gonna knead now because it looks pretty good. Oh my god, it's forming really well. If you commented it's gonna be good and be a good slime, you are correct, because it's just a little sticky. I just have to add a little bit more, and I believe it's gonna be really good slime, because whenever it's like this, not hard, it's mostly gonna be a really good slime. See, it's coming off my hands now. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. If you haven't made slime, you should make it right now. So you could have so much fun. Because making slime is awesome. My favorite part about making slime is playing with it at the end because it's so cool. I think it needs a tiny bit more activator. Then I think it's done. This is so sticky right now. Hi. It's almost ready to take out of the bowl now. I just need a tiny bit more Tide. Oh my gosh, I think it's ready. Let's take it out of the bowl now. Here it is. This is the final product. It looks really good. It's all ready to play with. It looks awesome. This is one of my best slimes I've ever made. I'm gonna make a swirl. Oh, whoa. Uh-oh, it stuck to me. I think I'll add a tiny bit more Tide because it's really sticky. I'll make sure it's just a tiny bit. Okay, that much. This is the best. Playing with slime is awesome. If you haven't made it yet, you should make it right now and watch this video all over again to see the steps. But if you memorized it, you should do it right now. I like sticky slimes because sticky slimes don't really stick to me. So this is one of the sticky slimes. I always play with sticky slimes because they're really good. So then when it gets hard, it doesn't get hard like right away. So it just it just gets thicker and thicker until I have to throw it away. I've had a lot of slimes, and in this video, I'm gonna add this to my collection. I think this is gonna last a long time. It's still a little sticky, so I'm gonna put a little more Tide. Maybe a cap this much. Just the amount of this cap. That's maybe enough. I'm gonna put this Tide away so I don't have to worry about it. Do you think I should put more lotion? Because I think it's pretty thick. And I don't really like thick slimes. I like thin slimes. I'm gonna put in some more lotion. because I don't really like too thick slimes. I just like a tiny bit thick slimes. Like, I don't really like thick slimes. Oh my gosh. I put lotion in this piece and it melted. Look. Ah, it's so melted. This is like glue. It's basically just glue and tiny bit of lotion. Look. It's just glue. Oh my gosh, it's forming into a really good slime just because I added some of that lotion. Oh my gosh. I think I'll have to add a tiny bit more activator because it's so sticky that it's making the table shake. That much. Let's see after I put it in if I need more. If this is your first time making slime, isn't it the best? And if you don't have the ingredients, next time ask your parents to buy some of the ingredients. The ingredients are some glue. I even use a lot. Oh my gosh. Glue, some Tide, or what do you call that? Oh, baking soda and contact solution, borax, or Gain. But if you only have like something else, try to go to a different store. I think you'll find it because you'll have to at least see glue, right? That's like the main ingredient to slime. And everyone plays with slime now, so I think you'll see it. Excuse me. Oh, and if you can't take out all the glue, I recommend putting water in it. Put on the cap like this. Make sure it's really tight and shake it. Then put it in your slime, because that's the way you put in water. I mean all the glue into your slime. Oh my gosh! I made a bubble. Pop. This is so sticky that when I make a bubble, it sticks to the table. Oh, do you see that? I think I could make a better bubble. So let's try. I love making slime. So that's why I'll make lots of slime videos. Oh my gosh. Ew, it looks like my skin's peeling off. Ew. I love making slime so much. It's like, if you're mad, you could make slime, or you could play with some slime. And sometimes there's slime at the store. I don't really like those slimes because it's hard and it doesn't really stretch. So that's why I want to make homemade slime. So ask your parents if you can make homemade slime. This is awesome. I love playing with slime. I'm gonna try to be quiet right now because I want you to hear stuff from the slime. Starting now. Sorry. Oh, I made a bubble. I'm gonna put in some activator, maybe like half of this. Yeah, that's about half. I love this slime. So I'm gonna start talking now. So I love slime, so this is like a really good slime. I like this color a lot because pink is my favorite color. Look. It's so pink. And I love pink. I think this is the perfect color for me. That's why I added a little bit more lotion because I wanted it to be lighter. I think I'll add just 1 squirt of lotion. That's a squirt. So this is the best slime I've made. And I love it a lot. This is like the best. I'll end off with the swirl and then I'll say bye. I'm gonna try to make the best swirl I could ever do. So, bye. See you in the next video, but first, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and make sure you click the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Bye!